Hello guys, this is our second tutorial for learning C programming. Today we will show how to run C program. First of all, we need to use any compiler. Which compiler do we use doesn't fact, but today we are going to use code blocks compiler. First of all, type codeblocks.org in your Google browser or any browser, then click download link. When you click download, you will get the download the binary release. Here is many links, but I will use this link, download the binary release. After that, you will get Windows specific file. If you use Windows XP 7, 8 or 10, whatever, then you will download codeblocks through this link by clicking this link. If you use Linux or Mac, then you will go through this link. So which Windows do you use? Just go download and download your specific code blocks. After clicking this download link, you will get your expected download file. If you installed IDM before, you will get a download dialog box. If you don't, your download will start below the browser. We are not going to download this file because we installed code blocks before. So let's go to code blocks. First, take a new file. You can take new file through this new file button, or go to file, new and empty file, and save this file. We're going to name this file as first C programming dot C. If you don't give dot C, it will by default, but if you want to practice another language, C++ or JavaScript, then you must specify this extension. So this is our first C programming file, and this is our code environment where we write our code. So let's start. First, include stdio.h. This is a header file. If you don't use this header file, the compiler will not understand which program do you run and which code specifically. So this is must needed. Then write main function, int main. You can use void main. This is not mandatory here, but if you use int main, you must return something. And this is a scope from this bracket. Within this bracket, this is exactly a scope where you can write your code. Now we are going to learn our first program. this is my sorry, this is my first C programming. Then save this file, or you can use this build and run button. Here we get our expected output. This is my first C programming. If you want to write this sentence, you can use a sentence whatever you wish, but this is most important things here. What is printf? Printf is basically a function that is used to show anything in your output display. If you don't use printf, you don't get your expected output in your display. So to show your output in display, you must use printf. So thank you. This is